Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I'll be using OEMTOOLS 15-piece no-spill cooling system funnel to hopefully resolve a no heat issue in my 2004 Toyota Tacoma. I honestly don't remember if the heat worked when I bought the truck, and even though it's seldom used here in Florida, it'd be nice to say that everything in the truck works. Alright, let's let the truck cool down and see what this kit includes. So it looks like it comes with 4 caps, 5 adapters, and 3 extensions. The lid is counted as one of the 15 pieces, which turns the whole thing into a storage compartment. Matching the right cap to the one on our truck is easy enough. Then we need to find the right adapter. Again, simple. I had to bend these tabs out a little bit to get it to fit the radiator neck. No big deal. The directions ask us to fill the funnel a third of the way with coolant. Now let's go ahead and start the truck. With the heat turned all the way up, we'll set the fan to low. Well, I don't see any bubbles happening. Let's put the truck on an angle and see if that helps. So still no heat, but as you can see, the funnel is doing what it's supposed to do in keeping the coolant from spilling. This thing is pretty ingenious, but what do you guys think I should do to get my heat working? Let me know in the comments, and as always, thanks for watching.